the effect of COVID-19 or a pandemic, which was so unprecedented for everyone around the globe, to be impacted so efficiently to a sector which was otherwise have more customer facing or front facing or customer touch point driven. So there has all insurance sector or the banking or finance sector is a kind of sector, since individuals money are involved, people were not very receptive of the fact of going to the digital medium or using the digital medium in order to identify the right insurance policy, in order to identify the top up, in order to identify different ways of claim processing, money transaction. And I am totally aligned that on the fact that yes, COVID-19 has impacted, and now the world has started coming out of the COVID-19 shock that they received during the beginning of late February or beginning March. Do you think this is going to be the ultimate driver or the catalyst for digital transformation and growth in insurance sector?
No, actually, the COVID gave the much necessary push that was required in the insurance sector. Digital was already there in the industry since long, but people were somehow not wanting to purchase insurance online. And the impact of this COVID is unfolding slowly with passage of time. And but in current scenario, it is really difficult to gauge the complete impact. The insurance, the growth of insurance industry during the last month has taken a severe beating due to this lockdown and all. And any slowdown in industrial activity directly impacts the insurance sector. So the digital transformation is certainly going to help the growth of insurance sector as we go along.
Right.
And this growth of this digital adoption of insurance has been growing gradually, if you can say, over a period if we see in compared to other fintech sectors. And insurers are also benefiting from digital payment programs and channels that banks have launched, and the initiatives of the central government in digitization.
Right.
So if we look at the overall scenario, the current scenario has significantly accelerated the opportunities of digital engagement and digital delivery of product and services for the industry. And going forward, as the rapid migration of customers from physical to digital is expected to a significant jump in future.